No matter how powerful a computer is, it only knows how to do four basic jobs. And today, I'll show you what they are. You know, computers do a lot of things, but everything comes down to these four things. Let's start with input first. Input is basically anything you send or give a device to process. Things such as keyboard, mouse, gaming controllers, and similar devices. When you press a key on your device, it generates a binary which is taken to a CPU for processing. Then it will in some way display the results, either through the monitor or a printer device or an audio device like speaker. This one is the output, and it's whatever you see on the screen as a result of your click on the keyboard or mouse, or whatever you hear from the speaker as a result of your click. Processing is mainly done in the CPU, which stands for Computer Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of the computer. Just like our brain thinks, process, evaluate, and decide or execute, the CPU would do the same thing. We will go over CPU and its different speeds and capabilities in a separate video. The next is storage. Storage is done in two ways, either in storage devices such as SSD or HDD, or in RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory. When we click Save on a document, we tell the CPU to store that for future use. It will store it in a storage device. Now, why not the RAM? Because RAM is the temporary storage, which means that it stores a data as long as the computer is on. The moment we shut down the computer, the data will vanish. While in a storage device, that's not the case. It will store it for a longer term or forever. If we look at our brain, it also has a short-term memory and a long-term memory. Short-term memory will forget the data after seconds or minutes or even days, but the long-term memory retain the data forever. There are different types of both storage devices and RAM, which again we'll go deeper in a separate video. That was all about computer basics. We went through input, output, processing, and storage, what they are and what they do. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with friends and family so they can benefit from it as well. See you in the next one.